Right, welcome back everybody, and been to our local model shop today, our local railway model shop, and I managed to pick up a Unifish, in it, Unifish light blue wagon for set. Was it RS 24, isn't it, John?
Yes.
So we managed to pick up the blue one. 'Cause I think we had a white one in it, didn't we?
Yeah.
So that little set is complete now. What else did we get? What else did we get? Oh, so I hope you remember that I repaired a couple of days ago. We repaired and restored the best we could a Princess Victoria. Sorry, a Princess Elizabeth Triang. So gets in the shop and he says, "Oh, I'm glad you're here." And he shows me this tin. Now you take over the camera. So he shows me this tin and he says, "This gentleman brought this in and this belonged to his dad's." And he wants to get these items running. So when we took the lid off, what do we find inside? Not that, but we've got an early gin tea. I think it's around.
Decals are pretty good on it as well.
Yeah, I think it's around 50, 52. This one, 53, I think. So it's quite an early one. Haven't tried it. Don't know what's wrong with it. So that's the first one. Then we've got an L1, which I don't know. Looks a bit oily, but other than that, it doesn't look that bad. It's got all its steps. I think it's got a step missing on the side, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that and it's tender. I think that's the tender, isn't it? Not a chuff one, is it?
No.
No, it's too early. So that's that one. Then we've got a reasonably early Britannia. Again, I'm not sure on year. Probably early 60s because it's got the solid wheels. No smoke generator. That's Britannia. And it's got the coal.
Can't take the coal out on that one.
No, not on that one, you can't. And then, finally, we've got Princess Elizabeth. And I think that's in stunning condition for its age. Again, early 60s. It's got the early couplings on it, you see. But look at that. Apparently it's got a wire off. So, and obviously the tender with the coal. So we're going to see if we can get these working for the gentleman. Hopefully we can. I will show you as we go along repairing these. But what a lovely. They're all in pretty good condition really for their age. So that one's probably about 70 years old. It's got to be 60 years old, so it's knocking on a bit, isn't it? Hey. But anyway, so we'll keep you updated and share the progress. But I just thought I'd like to share it with you. So again, it's not in bad condition, is it? All the valve gears here. Doesn't look like the things broke.
Don't look bent either.
No, they don't, do they? Look fairly straight. But, oh, it's got a bit of a buckle in that one. See it?
Oh yeah, I see it.
But that's all right. Not a problem, is it?
No.
But I'm sure we can get them going. But it's all good fun, isn't it? I don't know. Should we try it? Is there anything on the line?
Yes, rocket. It deaded.
No, nothing. What's on this line? No, nothing. No, zilcho. Did I turn the power up? No. It is on, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's all right. That's for me. Let's have the L1.
You can hear the controller humming.
Oh, right, tricky. Broken that.
Body broke. That's. Oh yeah, he's broke.
Yeah. He holds down the chimney. Oh well, let's have the Britannia. I don't think it will, but mind about it.
You never know.
Yeah, but it's silly trying them really. No. Oh well. So yeah, they will be a complete
Rehaul.
redo then. But what lovely things, eh? So we'll keep you posted on them. Put them back in there. Good night. Right, thanks for watching, and we'll keep you posted. Oh,